All right, guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Happy Hair. We are doing today a really great back to school style for girls. It's an easy hairstyle, it's a quick hairstyle, and it's just an easy wrap bun. I'm gonna show you how you do that. So you're gonna take your hair, and I'm doing this on my daughter, Victoria, who is the inspiration for the Happy Hair channel.
And you can see us on TikTok and Instagram.
Yeah, if you follow us on TikTok, we have a big TikTok channel where we do a ton of hair videos. We've done 4 months worth every single day. So first you're gonna take
name is Audrey.
I'll drop all the links below. So first we're gonna take your hair, your child's hair, you're gonna start making it into a ponytail, but you're gonna go like this. So you're gonna take your elastic band and you're gonna go once through like a ponytail. You can go one more time, and then on the 3rd time around, or however long your elastic is, you're gonna stop. You're gonna do a little, pretend you're gonna pull it out, but you're not, and you're gonna stop it right there. So Victoria, I'm having you turn your head to the side so you can
Like
see.
a ponytail.
Yeah, we have like about half ponytail, right? So then you're gonna have this little section of hair right here. And the reason I wanted to start this channel is because I'm a mom of 5, I have 4 boys, and then I had Victoria, and I'm not an expert at hair, but I love playing with hair, and I wanna show how moms can do cute, easy hairstyles and not be professionals. So you're gonna take this little easy tail of hair, you're gonna take another elastic. I'm gonna link all my favorite products. These are just little elastics that I got right on Amazon. I think you get like 500 of them for like literally $6. I love them because they're so easy and small. And you're gonna put an elastic halfway down, just like that. You could even go a little bit further down, and you're gonna see why, it kind of, you gauge it depending on how long or thick your child's hair is, or your hair. And then you're gonna take this ponytail, and then you're gonna wrap it around the bun, okay? Just like this. And then her hair is extra long, so I'm gonna do a little bit of an extra wrap. Okay, Victoria, look straight again. And then you're gonna take one more elastic band. And again, the reason I love these elastics is because they are so small. And I'm just gonna hold this hair in place, or the wraparound, with this elastic. So I'm just gonna pull it right over the top. And then you have this really cute, easy wrap bun. Really cute. I think this is a great little style. You could also do this for special occasions, proms, weddings, but I love this back to school easy style. And then I'm gonna have Victoria turn to the side. It looks really cute on the side. And then this also you could do with different lengths hair. And again, it's gonna look different depending upon the length of hair, but we just love this easy style. And with our videos, I'm never gonna edit them. I always want you to see in motion, because I feel like mom to mom, that's what we're looking for, is like, how do you get through this? How do you navigate it? No tricks here, but I just love this cute, easy hairstyle for girls.